In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airbnb gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a gift card to your account so it shows up as credit at checkout and applies to eligible stays and experiences. First, log into your Airbnb account. You can do this on the website or in the mobile app. Use a secure connection and make sure you're signing in to the correct personal account where you want the credit to live. If you use multiple accounts, choose the one you plan to book with so your credit is ready when you need it. Next, open your account or profile area. On desktop, this is usually your profile photo or your initials in the top right corner. In the app, tap your profile icon at the bottom or top of the screen. From there, go to Payments. Depending on your version, it might be labeled Payments and Payouts, but you're looking for the section that manages how you pay and where credits are stored. Inside Payments, find Gift Credit or Add Gift Card. This is the spot dedicated to applying gift cards. The wording can vary slightly by region, but it's the option that lets you enter a code and PIN. Now, enter your gift card code and the accompanying PIN. If you have a physical card, gently scratch the protected area to reveal the PIN. If your card was delivered digitally, copy the code carefully to avoid typos. Watch out for similar-looking characters and don't worry about dashes. Airbnb typically formats those automatically. Double-check both fields before moving on. Click Redeem. If everything looks good, you'll get a confirmation that the balance has been added to your account as Airbnb credit. That credit sits in your account and is automatically applied to eligible bookings at checkout until it's used up. You'll see it reflected as a payment method during checkout, and your remaining balance, if any, will be calculated after the credit is applied. To verify your balance anytime, return to the Payments section and look for your Airbnb credit. You can add more gift cards later by repeating the same process, and the amounts will stack in your balance. If you run into issues, double-check the code and PIN, ensure your card is valid for your country or currency, and make sure you're redeeming in the correct account. If you still get an error, try updating the app or switching browsers, then attempt the redemption again. That's it. Log in, go to Payments, add your gift card, enter the code and PIN, and redeem. Your balance becomes Airbnb credit ready for your next trip.